Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is that time. I waited all month. I emailed. I tried to call. I did everything I could. And today, my Allure box shows up. I do have a love-hate relationship with my Allure box, which only has to do with the timing of things, but Allure box is a $15 a month subscription that you can get for $10 with your first box by using a $5 off coupon, which are absolutely everywhere. If I do have one available, I will link it down below. It is a mixture of makeup and skincare and occasionally a hair care. As I said, I usually love the products in it, but sometimes, meh. So this one is actually easy to get into, but I'm going to use my adorable Hello Kitty box cover that my amazing friend on here, Clara, I will link her channel below. She sent this to me. Isn't it the cutest thing in the whole wide world? Because I'm always using my nails, and that's why I never have my nails done. So she sent this to me, so yeah, because she thought of me. Isn't that cute? I am wearing red, very apropos, because the Allure box is red, so why not? Okay. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Their usual little magazine thingy that they send every month is in here. This is a light one, and what I mean by light is very thin. Plain white paper. And let's see the first thing that we got. And ooh, we got a pair of Tarteist lashes. I am not a huge lash wearer, but I am trying to get more into them. I just really need the time to put them on because it takes me a long time. But these look stunningly gorgeous. They look long and flirty and wispy, and I think I'll like them. Yay, I'm happy about those. I just caught lipstick on my teeth, but I got it off. This is from IGK. It is coconut oil gel. Alrighty, at least it's not a shampoo. And this is a decent amount for me to try in my hair. I look forward to reading up on this and seeing what this is all about. I do like IGK, by the way. The next thing in here, product number 3, we have two Tarte products, and I'm thinking that this is lash glue. Just by the looks of it, it doesn't say, but it says Tarteist Pro. I'm thinking because they gave us lashes, they probably gave us lash glue. I will find out when I read the magazine. Product number 4 coming up. Yes, baby. It is from Drunk Elephant, and it is the TLC Sakari Baby Facial. Yeah, Sakari Baby Facial. This is a really generous size. It is sitting in my Sephora cart waiting for me to click tink order, but it is so expensive, and I am so happy to have this sample. I want to treasure you. I'm going to treat this carefully because this is a valuable little sample in my paw right now. The last item in the box, and I love this box so far, is a MAC Retro Matte Lipstick. I think it's in the color red. It is in Ruby Woo, which is their classic, iconic color, and I don't have it. I think this is a full-size lipstick. Look at the bullet. I think that's a full-size MAC lipstick. Oh my goodness. It has an amazing smell, and this is your classic, iconic, my two favorite words for this company, red. Wow. I am thoroughly, last month I think they were meh. I think they made up for it this month. Let's do our best and see what the magazine says. First, I'm going to get my darn glasses. I am back, my friends. So the first thing that they are talking about is the MAC lipstick in Lustering. You could have gotten two, either Lustering or Ruby Woo. From the looks of it, the Lustering is a pink. I'm actually happy that I got this, I said, because it's such, a classic color. And it's a beautiful red that's wearable. This is $18.50, and I said this is the, according to what I think, I think it's a full size. I forgot to swatch it for you. Oh yeah, that is just amazing. I love it. And they have such a nice smell. These and the Kat Von D lipsticks, they just smell so good. Let's see, lipstick check. No? Good. I'm not as dumb as I thought. This is the Tarte Artist Pro Lash Adhesive in clear. I, again, don't know what the actual size is. This looks like it could be an actual full size of it. When I do my research and I put the price on the screen, I will let you know. But this is $9. If you enter Tarte Allure on Tarte.com, you can get 10% off through October 11th. These are obviously full size. It would be silly if they sent us mini eyelashes, although it would make for an interesting video. These are the Girl Boss lashes. They are $12. Let's see, they call them glam lashes. Yeah, I would agree. Looking forward to that. And then the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial. The full price is $80. Obviously, this is not a full price of it. You also could have gotten the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, which I already have tried, and I do like, but I'm so glad that I got this. Yay! If you don't know what this is basically an lactic acid peel for your face that they recommend you do once a week. I am very into skincare and peels and things like that, and I've heard nothing but amazing things about this, so I am very anxious to try this out. I'll probably do it tonight because my skin is very, very tired and can use some help for sure. So this was a quick video because there wasn't too much try on, but overall I am exceedingly happy with this box. I don't know whether this is the best box that we've gotten, but I would have to say it is right up there on top with the rest of them. We have gotten full-size items and almost full-size items in the past 6 months mixed and matched. So I think this is an impressive box. I'm super happy with it. I can't wait to try everything. If you got this box, let me know what you got below. Let me know if you enjoy it, and let me know if you enjoyed this video by maybe giving it a thumbs up if you would so desire to. As always, my friends, I want to wish you the most amazing day and the most amazing week and the rest of your weekend. And I will, of course, see you in my very next one. Bye, everybody.